Welcome back, guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is the Nike SB skateboard down high, and this one is the Pearl edition. The colorway is Spectrum. Retail on this is $110 plus tax. So my son won this at the local skateboard shop doing the raffles. So he just picked it up just now, and then I'm doing this unboxing for you guys to check it out. As you can see, I got my rubber gloves on right now, and I'm going to wipe this box clean with the Clorox. So this one is made in Vietnam. So let me show you guys a 360 view of the box real quick. You got the Nike Swoosh logo with the SB on the top of the cover. It says Nike, and the Swoosh name and stripe are trademarks. And then right here you got the Nike Swoosh logo SB again. Then there's a line on the bottom. And you got the same thing on this side. Check out the bottom. So the bottom you got the Nike Swoosh, Nike Swoosh, Swoosh, and just do it. And then you have this black sticker. Got the recycle symbol right there. And this one's made in Vietnam, the box. So let's go ahead and show you guys the label. So here's the label right here. This one is size 9.5, and this is the barcode right there. And then you can see the retail price on this is $110. And it is made in Vietnam. So let's go ahead and open this up. So the tissue paper or the wrapping paper has this green. It's like a special design. So here's the shoes. You got the multi color. Right here is like a baby blue. You got the gray around the ice area or by the lace system. And then this is like a, I'm not sure what you call this one, like a light green. And then this one is like a tan color. You got the black swoosh logo. And then on the back here, cup right here is matched the same around the toe box area. And then on top of the toe box, this is light blue again. So this is suede material. And then on the rear pull tab is a black suede. Got this gum sole right here. I don't know, it's under like a top color, top, TAUPE, with the black Nike and then swoosh and then SB right there in the middle section. So on the top of the tongue, you got the Nike swoosh and then SB, and it says Dang Hai Pro. So the lace is pretty thick, and then you have the blue tip. And this is a pretty thick padded right here. Let me turn on the light real quick. All right, so on the insole, it says Nike swoosh logo and SB in black, and then it says Zoom Air. Let's go and see what this says right here on the inside of the tongue. And it is made in Vietnam. Going to show you the label. So here's a 2 manufactured day, October 16, 2019. I guess through December 10, 2019. So this shoes was dropped on January 31st, 2020. And then on this side is blank. You go and then take out the shoe tree. So the shoe tree is pretty hard. Let me try to take out the insole. And then this is what it look like on the insole. You got the A5BT 904, size 9 to size 10, DSC. And then you have this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cutout, and then one over here. So look at real quick on the inside stitching. So yeah, I'm not sure why at Nike they always have those loose wire just lying around in there. Last time they had to tape it. Check out the other paint. Wow, so this side is a different color. This one has a green, like a light green lace, and you got the green tip. I just noticed that. Wow. And it's different color. Got the green, and then this side's blue. So it's on the toe box. It's like an opposite. And this is like a pinkish color versus light orange. And then the eye stays like a light orange color. And so it's inner fabric over here. And then also on the tongue. It's like a beige on this side right here. Wow, and even look at the Nike SB Dunk High Pro. Right here it's blue. And then this side is light green. So it seems like it's the opposite. This color is the same. This color is the same. Oh, then they come with this extra lace. Huh. So they only give you one extra lace. Is this one or two? Well, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. And the one on the inside is different color. It's opposite as well. This side is light blue, and then on this side it is light green to match the toe box and then the lace. So this side, the blue one, you match the lace and then the toe box. Well, anyway, I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.